that you've downloaded your swiftReg distribution.zip, we can go ahead and open that up. And we'll click on swiftReg web installer, and it should prompt us for a password. And we'll just click next. Next, I'm accepting all of the defaults here. It's going to install the MATLAB runtime library. Agree to that, and then we will install. And once that's completed, it will give this message just indicating that there might be some extra steps that need to be done for older Macs. If you have a newer operating system for the Mac iOS, then you probably don't have to worry about this. But if you do need to make changes, you can always go to MATLAB's website at MathWorks and find out more details about how to install some of these library paths that might be needed. But again, now that we have these installed, there should be a folder called MATLAB in your applications that has the MATLAB runtime engine, and the version that we're using is version 99. In addition, we have the University of Rochester should be showing up inside that as swiftReg, the application folder, and inside there should be the swiftReg app. Now, the first time we run this, we should see a message pop up that asks us to browse to our swiftReg distribution folder. Now that we've installed this, we should find the MATLAB folder in our applications folder, MATLAB, the runtime, and it's using version 99. And we should also have a folder called University of Rochester that has our swiftReg software in it. You can just go into the application folder and click on swiftReg.app. And if this is the first time you've done this, it should take a moment. It will eventually ask you for the location of the swiftReg distribution folder. Now that we've installed this, we should be able to go to our application folder, and we will see under the MATLAB folder, they have installed the runtime engine. and this one is using version 99. Down below we should also see a University of Rochester folder that has the swiftReg program in it, and you can go and open up the application folder and then click on the swiftReg.app, and if this is the first time that you've run the program, it should prompt us to navigate to our swiftReg distribution folder. Please browse to the swiftReg distribution folder. OK. And so we'll do that. We found that on the desktop, and swiftReg distribution. And then we'll just click Open. And now we wait. This usually only takes about 10 or 20 seconds. It's firing up multiple processors. And we have our swiftReg instructions over here on the right. The green highlight is used throughout the process. It indicates what interaction is required next to keep the process moving forward. And all of the details that you could need for making choices about different stages of this process are captured here in the help section that is always available on the right side of the environment. And we will cover and before we Before we'll begin actually using this tool, we first need to craft some metadata files, which I will cover in another video, and then we will come back.